got lots of sealer left. Pretty sure I'm going to be able to get everything done with 1 gallon. And usually on the directions of the sealer, it'll tell you how many square feet it'll cover. But sometimes you can't take that for gospel. You figure it out exactly, you get exactly what they say. What if you put it on a little bit thicker than they tell you? And you end up having to go back to the store and get some more. Pity poo. Even if I figured it out by the square foot on the directions, I would still allow for extra. Okay, just on the off chance you spill it, you put too much on, your roller cover ends up grabbing a little extra of it at the end and you don't have enough to finish your job. I mean, there's lots of things that could happen. Okay, or you end up deciding to put a little bit more in the traffic areas. When you get done, you happen to have a little bit left. Okay, all right. That's what I've got so far. Now I've got just this one swatch and out the door I go. Wasn't really going to show this last bit, but maybe you can see what I'm doing over my shoulder. Okay, I've just got this much left to do. Okay, so I just have to kind of be aware of what I've done, what I haven't done. I've got my construction light on. I'm just going to finish this out right here. I can see where I'm going. Try not to step in it because I don't want to track it all over the place. Blend it in where I started and stopped from before. This sealer really works good. Most sealers you can blend in and it's not going to be that big of a deal, depending however you wanted to do this room. Okay? You don't have to be a painter to do this. Got just a little know-how. And incidentally, I'm not going to show you anything on my channel that I don't think you can't do. Am I saying that right? That I think you can't do. I'm not going to show you anything I think you can't do. There. Take that. Nice easy strokes. Blend it in. The idea is you want to try to maintain the same amount of sealer on the surface at any one place on your floor. They always say don't make it puddle. Well, it's almost impossible to make it puddle if you're wiping it off as you go. The only time it's going to puddle possibly is if you have nooks and crannies of some real thick natural stone floor or something like that. Then you have to kind of be aware of that. If you have joints, if you have tile floor and you have the joints, you want to make sure you kind of take some of that off. You don't want that to puddle too much. If you have a little bit in there, that's fine too. Okay? So I got just a hair left here. And see, I want to go right out the door. I'm just going to go out to there. And then when I come in through the hallway, I won't have to worry about anything next to the doors. See, that's why I cut it in 6 inches there, and now I can get it 2 inches away, 3 inches away, 4 inches away, ½ inch away, whatever. Last thing you want is to try to get up there so close now that you start tagging your baseboard, your door frames, your doors, all that kind of stuff. No need at all to do that. Now see, I've got a little bit of extra in here. I've got my paintbrush handy, and I can just dab, a little dab will do you right in where the extra was there. And I'll give it just kind of float over that. Whew. There, done with that room. Nice. Okay, I guess I'm ready to do this hallway, and this goes into a back study and a back bedroom there. Make sure you have everything out of there because the exit plan is to come right out of here, make sure you're done in the bathroom and all that. Because once I do this, I'm not going to be able to go back in there. Okay? Then my last room will be this main room right here. I'm going to like doing this floor. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.